CTC 102, Blockchain, the Foundation of Cryptocurrency. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In the last lesson, we learned that cryptocurrency is becoming a new form of digital money. But that raises an important question. If there are no banks or governments controlling cryptocurrency, what keeps the system secure? What stops people from changing transaction records? The answer is blockchain technology. Blockchain is the system that makes cryptocurrency possible. Simply put, a blockchain is a shared digital record book, also called a ledger, that stores transactions. Instead of being controlled by one bank or company, this record is shared across many computers around the world. Once information is recorded on the blockchain, it becomes extremely difficult to change or delete. To understand blockchain better, we need to look at three simple ideas: blocks, chains, and decentralization. First, blocks. A block is like a page in a digital notebook. It stores transaction information. Each block contains three main things: the transaction data, the time the transactions happened, and a unique digital code called a hash, which acts like the block's fingerprint. When a block is full of transactions, it is added permanently to the system. Next is the chain. Blocks are connected to each other in order. Each new block contains its own fingerprint and also the fingerprint of the previous block. This connection links the blocks together, forming a chain of records, which is why it is called a blockchain. Because the blocks are linked together, changing information in one block would break the entire chain. The system would quickly detect the change and reject it. This makes blockchain very secure. The third idea is decentralization. In traditional banking, financial records are stored in one central place, usually controlled by a bank. But with blockchain, the record is copied across thousands of computers around the world. This is called a decentralized network. Because many computers share the same record, no single person or organization controls the system. This creates transparency, security, and reliability. So instead of trusting a bank or a government, users trust the technology and mathematics behind the system. Blockchain allows people anywhere in the world to send and receive value directly without needing a middleman. And while blockchain powers cryptocurrency, its use is expanding into many other areas like supply chains, medical records, and digital identity systems. To summarize, cryptocurrency is digital money, and blockchain is the technology that makes it secure and possible. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. If this lesson helped you understand blockchain better, kindly like, share, and subscribe. In the next lesson, we will explore how crypto wallets work and how you can actually own your cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.